What's going on, guys? MrWaheedulHaque here, back with another video.
Does this look like MrWaheedulHaque?
So sorry, sir.
I'm very disappointed.
I'm frozen.
Hey guys, MrWaheedulHaque here, back with another video. Today we're going to be renewing your wiper blades, because why pay when you can just fix it?
Can't pay.
We take it away.
Take it away.
Okay, we're not taking the wipers away though, these are my wipers. Yeah. But I don't know why I'm cleaning the back ones, because I got a new one anyway for free. So I don't know why I'm doing it, but I might as well do it. So what you're going to need is isoproponic, alcoholic, what is it?
What's it called?
I'm talking about isopropylic alcohol. Alcohol. There, alcohol, 70% alcohol. So you need some sort of isopropylic alcohol. It's 70%.
Called Professor and liquid.
Okay, please, brother. So this is a hand sanitizer pretty much. But I'll show you this. Okay, where's the ingredients? It says somewhere there. Okay. So 70% is isopropylic alcohol, propyl alcohol. Okay, so that's what you need. And the rest is just water and a bit of fragrance. So my wipers are going to smell nice. So if any dirty bastard wants to smell my wipers when they walk past, they can smell it, guys. So this is also hand sanitizer, but this basically, it dries instantly and it cleans, cleans very well.
Well, let's test it.
No, this for my car, brother. This is very expensive, brother. I'm joking, this only cost me less than £5. Okay, there you go.
What the hell?
It's got like a bit on it. Let me smell it. It smells like a baby's bath.
Oh, it smells like a baby's bottom.
What the?
What?
Dirty.
Is he not supposed to pierce this?
No, hey, careful, man.
You're supposed to pierce it.
Okay, well, are you sure?
I don't know how.
You sure you're going to piece it? Is the piecing under the end?
Mm-mm.
Are you sure you're going to piece it?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Okay, we're just going to piece this bottle. Right, so what we're going to be doing is...
You're just going to pierce it with your hand, yeah?
Okay, my hands are not sharp enough. We're going to have to find something. But, yeah. You need either microfiber cloth. If you got microfiber cloth, it's better. But we're just using tissue. Tissue will work as long as you don't get any fluff on it. So use some good tissue. Pierce it, brother. Pierce it. And then I'm going to take over. So we're going to clean these, and then we're going to go to the car. And we're going to clean the windscreens of the car as well, because both parts need to work. And then you'll get good, no streaks basically, pretty much. These will be like brand new blades. And yeah, this one I don't know why I'm cleaning, because I got a brand new one for free from Bosch, so thank you Bosch for them. But yeah, these are pretty dirty anyway, so in the meantime I might as well use it. Is it working? Yeah. Alright guys, so I'll let Labu take over now. Right, I'm going to start with the small blade first, so I can just show you. Get some alcohol, rubbing. It's called rubbing alcohol as well, so grab some of that tissue. As you can see, rub in a bit. Stab it about with a good edge, and then you just want to run it across the blade, top to bottom. You want all the black stuff to come off, which is with all the dirt. Oh, that actually smells really nice. Can you smell it?
Yeah, that smells
that, guys. So you want to keep using this. Oh, that doesn't smell half bad. To say that could go in your hand. So what you want to do is you want to keep using this until there's no black bits showing. So that's why it's better to use a cloth, because now I'm just going to have to use this, keep using tissue, and we might run out of tissue.
We've got plenty.
Oh yeah, we've got lots of tissue, but we're in a pandemic, so it's not.
True.
See, can you see there's more black stuff going off? So you just want to keep using it till the alcohol cleans off fully. Can you see? It's getting better, as you can tell, but there's still a bit of dirt on there. That's why you'll get a bit of streaks over time. So you just want to clean that. Let me get a new tissue, guys. Probably should have used a cloth. So if you have a microfiber cloth, to use that. It's a better option. Okay, guys. So this is the third coat now.
Still dirty.
Very dirty. Now, guys, some more. So you just want to do this with all the blades. I'll just do the small blade for you, then I'll do the... Oh, that side's clean. Pretty much almost. It's almost clean the back side. So this side is very dirty, so this side is pretty much clean. Like there's nothing coming off it anymore. And there's a bit on this corner. Let's get some on this corner. Bit of tissue left. We don't want to waste the tissue, guys. Very precious. Right now it's selling more than gold. The price of it is more than gold.
More than Bitcoin?
Yes, brother. Everything. Okay, brothers. That's pretty much almost done. As you can see, it's a lot cleaner than before. So the way you look at these blades is, when you look at it this way, they're not dirty. When you look at it this way, they're not dirty. When you look at it that way, that's where all the dirt is. You can see it very easily. As you can see, it's all dusty. That's where all your streaks will come from. And yeah, my front ones have pretty much failed me because they just leave bad marks. That's the reason I'm doing this today. So yeah, I think one more of this, it'll be done.
For those of you wondering the exact one that we're using, it's sent by
GRs, you know. So
yeah,
I'll have a link in the description, hopefully, if they're in stock still. It's quite cheap, I think. But I don't know if I paid. I don't know. I might have got it for free. Not as a sponsorship, just I guess. Nearly done, guys.
It's a lot of dirt in it.
It's that side here. This side's pretty much clean now. It's just this left side. Don't know where all that dirt's come from.
Blimey.
Okay, I'm just gonna wipe it dry now. Oh. So when I wiped it dry, there's no dirt at all. So if I use this alcohol now to use it as a cleaner, let's see what comes off. Unless it's actually cleaned it fully. Nope, tiny bit of dirt left. See, the alcohol helps. Because if you just wipe it dry, like I used to, it doesn't get rid of it properly. But the alcohol cleans it very well. So make sure you use alcohol. Alright, that's pretty much almost there. Oh, there's loads of space on this tissue left. Why am I wasting tissue, guys? Not healthy for environment or your body. Alright, guys. Okay. Ah, yes, we're there. We're almost there. Almost there. It's pretty much clean now. Ah. Got some more tissue. Come on, man.
Is this drinkable?
Okay, guys. That's very acceptable to me. It's very little. Almost, you can't see it almost. So that's clean enough for me, guys. That won't leave any streaks.
Beautiful.
So there's the new clean blade now. So what you're gonna do now, guys, is
Editor, we're gonna need a before and after.
Before after. I'm joking. Right, so you want to do the same to these blades, and then I'll take you outside.
Good night.
To clean the car. Alright, guys, we're at the car now. Got a microfiber cloth and the window cleaner. This is a good brand, Simon's. It's owned by the company Redex. So the company that owns Redex owns this company called Simon's. So this is a good brand. So Lab is going to take out the camera.
Hello.
We're just going to clean the back window for now. Show yourself. Turn it on first. Look how dirty that is there. Can you see it? Look how dirty that is. That's all dirt. So we're going to clean it now. Oh, look how nice that clean that looks.
Especially with the microfiber cloth, it looks better, I think.
One wipe, bro. One wipe and it's that clean.
What's that slogan? One wipe and it's all gone or something?
Dirty that is, bro. After one wipe.
Mad.
Do another wipe. One wipe and what?
One wipe and the stain is gone. I don't know. What's it called? If you know what it's called, comment it down in the comment section below.
One sheet is plenty.
One sheet is plenty, that's it. Never mind, you don't need to comment it anymore.
Okay, so the back one's pretty much clean. We'll do the front now.
No. It may sound like there's another car that's on at the moment. That's because there is. Really getting in there. Can you see?
You're looking at your dad's car.
Yeah.
Look at your dad's car.
Yeah.
Look at the Jaguar.
Yeah.
And look at the lights.
I know.
I think mine are brighter. Look at how the inside of this car, the window is dirty. You see the inside dirt? So you want to clean the bit where the wiper sits. That's the main bit, because that's where it's going to sit all the time. So you don't want that dirty.
Nice and clean.
Everything's clean now. Now you can put the wipers back in and they should be streak free now. Alright guys, thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye.